Hey everyone, I want to take just a moment to show you how to look up your students' email address and passwords. We have a lot of students enrolling this time of year and coming back from summer. Some students may not remember their email address or password, so this is a way that you can access that information from your classroom. Okay? So what we're going to do is on the bottom taskbar, we're going to click on the Manila folder. And then over on the left, we're going to double click on PCMS Shares. And then double click on the Teachers folder. And the second folder from the top, it says Student Email List. Double click on that. And then double click on the user list, and this will give you a list of all the students in our school, their email address and their password. Okay, now if you have a new student that comes in one day, their email address and password will not be up here until the next day. This is updated nightly, so they have to wait a day before they can get their email address and password and be able to use it. I'm not going to click on the list because I don't want to broadcast it out to anybody watching this video, but this is where you can access that information. One important thing is it is alphabetized by first name and not by last name, so you want to be aware of that when you're looking for your student's email address. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.